Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the melody section of the 11 plus music aptitude test. If you haven't already checked out my melody tutorial, I highly recommend watching that first. In it, I break down what this section involves and share key tips and tricks to help you spot small changes in melodies more effectively. If you're already familiar with this section, or if you've seen the tutorial, stick around because today's video is all about extra practice material to sharpen your skills. Here's a quick recap of how the melody section works. You'll hear a 5-note melody played twice in a row. Your job is to decide if the second pattern is exactly the same as the first or if it's different. If it's different, you'll need to identify which of the 5 notes has changed. And here is a pro tip. Use your fingers to tap along with the 5 notes as they play. This can help you sense which note feels off or slightly different in the second melody. If nothing feels different, the answer is the same. Now let's get started. I've prepared 20 exercises for you. After each one, you'll have a 5-second pause to think an answer, followed by the correct answer. So let's start with question number 1. If you would like to see more videos like this, let us know in the comments and share your ideas with us. We're here to create resources and videos that support you on your musical journey. The more specific your suggestions, the better. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these videos with your friends who are also preparing for this test. Keep up the great work, stay creative, and see you next time.